Dreaming of a solo adventure in 2025? You're about to discover the best places to go. Let's count down the top 10 solo travel destinations. Safe, exciting, and unforgettable. Ready? Let's go. At number 10, we've got Lisbon, Portugal, a city where every solo traveler finds their own adventure. Picture this. You arrive in Lisbon, drop your bag at a colorful hostel, and set out to explore winding cobblestone streets. Soon, you stumble upon a hidden viewpoint overlooking the city's red rooftops and the sparkling Tagus River. Totally unplanned and totally magical. Next, you hop on one of Lisbon's iconic yellow trams, winding through the historic Alfama district, and feel like you're in a movie. Don't miss a stop at a local bakery to try pastel de nata, the famous custard tart that's crispy, creamy, and absolutely addictive. Later, you wander through a bustling market, chatting with friendly locals and sampling fresh fruit. Everyone's eager to share their favorite spots. Fun fact, Lisbon is actually older than Rome, and it's one of the oldest cities in Western Europe. If you want European vibes, sunshine, and adventure without breaking the bank, Lisbon is your go-to for 2025. Number 9. Chiang Mai, Thailand. This city is a solo travel favorite, safe, affordable, and bursting with adventure. Here's a solo travel hack. Join a hostel group tour on your first day. It's the fastest way to meet fellow travelers and get the inside scoop on hidden gems. Pro tip, don't be shy. Most people are open to chatting, especially over food or on a group hike. You'll make friends in no time. Fun fact, in Thai culture, a traditional greeting is the Y, a slight bow with your hands pressed together. Give it a try and you'll get smiles everywhere you go. Whether you're temple hopping, hiking lush mountains, or tasting pad thai at midnight, Chiang Mai is a place where solo adventures turn into lifelong memories. Number 8. Kyoto, Japan. This city is a blend of ancient tradition and modern life, perfect for solo explorers. If you're traveling alone, Kyoto's trains and buses are super easy to use. Just grab an IC card and you can hop on and off all over the city. In Kyoto, you can stroll through peaceful shrines, walk under tunnels of cherry blossoms, or get lost in the beauty of traditional tea houses. One afternoon, I joined a tea ceremony led by a local host. Even though we didn't speak the same language, the experience was so welcoming and peaceful. It felt like sharing a moment from another era. And here's a fun fact. Kyoto's cherry blossom season usually peaks in early April, turning the whole city into a pink wonderland. Even if you don't speak Japanese, people here go out of their way to help. It's like stepping into another world, one that's safe, beautiful, and full of kindness. By the way, which of these destinations is already on your bucket list? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to see where you'd go first. And hey, if you're enjoying the list so far, a quick like on this video helps a ton. Coming in at number 7, Barcelona, a city bursting with color, energy, and endless adventure for solo travelers. Here's a solo travel hack. Head to a local tapas bar early in the evening. Sit at the counter. It's the best way to strike up a conversation with locals and fellow travelers. I once made a new friend over shared patatas bravas and laughter. Barcelona's food scene is perfect for spontaneous connections. Don't miss Gaudi's masterpieces. Buy your tickets online to skip the lines and wander through the whimsical world of his architecture at your own pace. And here's a fun fact. Barcelona hosts more than 20 major festivals every year, so there's always a party happening somewhere. Whether you're dancing at a festival or making friends over tapas, Barcelona is a solo traveler's dream come true. At number 6, Bali, Indonesia, where lush rice terraces meet vibrant culture and endless adventure. Bali is a dream for solo travelers and digital nomads alike. Picture yourself working from a breezy cafe with a coconut by your laptop. Here's a tip. Many Bali cafes offer super fast Wi-Fi and community events, perfect for meeting fellow travelers. And if you need a break, join a sunrise yoga class overlooking the jungle. I met a group of travelers at a retreat, and by sunset we were all friends, sharing stories under the stars. Bali's spirit is everywhere, from surf camps to digital nomad hubs, and especially in its colorful ceremonies. Whether you're seeking inner peace, adventure, or new friends from around the world, Bali's got your back. Number 5, Prague, Czech Republic. The city is pure magic for solo travelers. Picture this. You join a free walking tour, and by the end, you've made friends from 3 different countries. That's the magic of Prague's old town. Everyone's open to adventure. Here's a solo travel hack. Join a group tour on your first day. It's the easiest way to get your bearings and meet fellow explorers. And if you're on a budget, grab a turdelnik pastry from a street vendor and enjoy it while watching the astronomical clock strike the hour. Totally iconic and under $2. Fun fact, Prague Castle is the largest ancient castle in the world. It's a must-see and the views are unforgettable. Whether you're wandering medieval streets or sharing a laugh at a local pub, Prague makes every solo traveler feel like they're in a fairy tale. At number 4, Mexico City, a city bursting with color, flavor, and energy. This one surprises people, but it's quickly becoming a solo travel hotspot. Just remember, stick to busy neighborhoods and use ride shares at night for extra peace of mind. My favorite memory? Grabbing a taco from a street food stall in Coyoacan. One bite and I was hooked. Street food heaven, world-class museums, and colorful neighborhoods like Coyoacan will keep you busy for days. And here's a fun fact. Mexico City has more murals than almost any city in the world, each telling a story of its vibrant culture. You'll find the city both welcoming and incredibly vibrant, perfect for making new friends or exploring on your own. Number 3, Copenhagen, a city that feels like it was made for solo travelers. If you're nervous about your first solo trip, Copenhagen is a dream. Clean, super safe, and easy to get around. Here's a travel hack. Rent a bike. I once cycled from Nyhavn to the Little Mermaid statue. So easy. And you see the city like a local. After your ride, grab a seat at a canal-side cafe. Order a coffee, watch the boats drift by, and soak up the cozy atmosphere. And don't miss out on hygge. That's Danish for a warm, cozy vibe. Fun fact, Danes light more candles per person than anywhere else in Europe. Copenhagen may not be the cheapest, but the quality of life and friendly locals make every moment worth it. At number 2, Costa Rica. If you're an adventure junkie, this is your playground. Pro tip, book a guided ziplining tour for the best views and a safe, unforgettable rush through the rainforest canopy. Rainforests, volcanoes, beaches, Costa Rica has it all. I'll never forget the time I spotted a bright blue morpho butterfly while hiking. Wildlife here is everywhere, from monkeys to sloths. Whether you're ziplining, hiking, or just chilling with a sloth, this is the perfect solo trip for anyone craving both adrenaline and peace. And if you're lucky, you might catch a local festival. Costa Ricans, or ticos, love to celebrate with music and dance. And yes, sloths really do move that slow. It's kind of inspiring. And finally, number 1, Iceland, a land of fire, ice, and endless adventure for solo travelers. If you dream of magic, this is the place. Stunning waterfalls, black sand beaches, and the northern lights dancing above you. Here's a solo travel hack. Download the Aurora app to get real-time alerts for the best chance to see the lights. Sometimes the show starts when you least expect it. I'll never forget the night I chased the Aurora. Standing alone in the snow, the sky exploded in green and purple. It felt like the universe was putting on a private show just for me. For the ultimate road trip, rent a car and drive the ring road. Take it slow. Every turn reveals a new wonder, from steaming geysers to wild horses. And don't miss a soak in a geothermal pool, perfect for meeting fellow adventurers and relaxing after a day of exploring. Fun fact, in Iceland, people still believe in elves and hidden folk. Some roads are even built around elf stones to avoid disturbing them. Iceland is safe, welcoming, and full of wonder. For solo travelers, it's a place where you can truly feel the magic of the world, just you and the wild, beautiful unknown. Traveling solo is an incredible adventure, but a little preparation goes a long way in keeping you safe. Here are some essential safety tips every solo traveler should know. First, protect your digital life. Use strong, unique passwords. Enable two-factor authentication for your accounts. Avoid public Wi-Fi for sensitive transactions. Consider using a VPN to keep your data secure on the go. Next, get to know the local customs and laws before you arrive. Dress appropriately. Be respectful of traditions. It helps you blend in and avoid unwanted attention. Research local scams and areas to avoid. Always trust your instincts. Always keep a copy of your important documents. Passport, ID, travel insurance. Keep them in a secure place and store digital backups online. Save emergency contacts in your phone. Write them down on paper, just in case. Finally, let someone you trust know your travel plans. Check in regularly. Many embassies offer traveler registration services for extra peace of mind. Remember, Solo travel is empowering when you stay alert and prepared. With these simple habits, you can focus on making memories, safely and confidently. So there you have it, the top 10 solo travel destinations for 2025. Whether you're looking for beaches, culture, or adventure, there's something on this list that'll inspire you to pack your bag and go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I've got more travel guides coming your way. And let me know in the comments, which destination would you pick first for a solo adventure? Thanks for watching, and remember, sometimes the best company you can travel with is yourself.